Jonathan. I'm a coach here at Shortcuts. In light of what's going on at the moment around the world, we decided we just wanted to make a short video for you, just to highlight a few ways on how you can contact your clients using our SMS feature. We have had a lot of phone calls through to the help desk on this matter, so that's why we thought we would just make this video for you today. So the three ways I'm just going to show you. We're just going to go into Fusion. Now we can actually contact an individual client. We do that just by right-clicking on the appointment, coming down to Extra and clicking on SMS there. The phone number will be in there already for you for that client, and it does say that there's 450 characters allowed for this text message. I just want you to remember that 160 is the amount of characters you're allowed for one single text message. So in this case, you would need, once you hit to 290 remaining, that would be your text message. You would just pop one like that I just made for you to just pop in there as an example. And then we click on SMS and we would send that SMS out to that client. Now, maybe you've had a team member call in sick and you need to contact those clients in their column as quickly as possible. So what you can do is just right click on their column there at the top, click on SMS clients. There will be a list of their clients in for the day. We just need to check each of those boxes down the left-hand side there and pop in our message. Again, remembering that 160 is one text message. That will then just contact all those clients for you very easily. And the third way I want to show you is by using our Shortcuts marketing platform. If you don't have this platform available to you at the moment, please contact the help desk so we can get you sorted on that. The one I want to use is the appointment acknowledgement. The reason I want to use this one is because as soon as an appointment is made, they will get a text message, well, actually not as soon as, but 30 minutes later. So if I just click on SMS here, I've just popped in a message just there down below. You pop whatever you need to pop in there. But they will get that message 30 minutes after their appointment is made. Now, just to remember as well, to not go over into two text messages on this one. And also what we have for you, we've put some resources online on our website. So if you'd like to go to shortcuts.com.au, click on resources, and resources again, we do have just some information there, some support and some ideas on how you can get through this this situation that we're all sort of facing right now. So please take care. Lots of love here from Shortcuts. We're always here to help you and support you. So please don't feel like you're alone. So please do contact us if you need any help whatsoever in getting the message out there to your clients. And please do visit our website on some ideas of how to get through this situation. All right, stay safe, take care, bye-bye.